Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you an Ideogram AI tutorial, an AI image generator for text. Alright, so now here we are in the Ideogram website, which is simply Ideogram.ai, and then you'll be prompted right here right away once you type that into your browser. And then from here, we'll now be signing up with Google. So we're gonna click on this button right here. And as you can see, their welcome page is really simple right here. All right, there it is. Now, once you have successfully logged in into your Google account, it would be like this. So I'll be signing up, and I have read and agreed to the following terms and service and so on. And I'll go for the choose your nickname right here. Let's go for Kai right there and click on complete registration. And then after that, we'll be prompted right here. Alright, so now here we are in Ideogram, and as you can see right here, we can see the samples, the outputs that Ideogram can produce right away right here. And as you can see, I like that it is very accurate with text right here, and that is the edge of Ideogram. The reason Ideogram has been so famous right here recently because Ideogram is very accurate with the text. As you can see, it is very accurate right here, and maybe we can go for more one. As you can see, it's very accurate right here. So this is a really good one right here, because as you can see, some other AI platforms like Midjourney and so on, they wouldn't be able to give you accurate text right here. For example, if you're creating logo, then they won't be able to give you that accurate name of your logo and so on right here. But Ideogram, as many other people would say, this is the more accurate one compared to other AI platforms that would give you text to image support right here for AI. So now that we've discussed that, let's try and viewing some of these prompts right here. For example, is this one right here. We're gonna click on this right here, and this is the prompt of that right here. So let's try and copying this prompt, and let's just change the text, and let's see what Ideogram would create for us. So right here, we're gonna go and paste this right here, and let's say we want to make it Thrive Media right there, and then we're gonna go click on generate right there. And now let's wait for it to start and wait for it to load right here, and now it's generating. And as you can see right here, these are the results that Ideogram has for us. And as you can see, we have our text right here, and they are not really that accurate. As you can see right here, this one is better compared to other ones. This one has double V without the I in it. This one has double T, double V. It's now a W right here. And this one doesn't really get it also. So I think for this one right here, we're just gonna stick to this one because this is the one that has the closest one that is accurate to the real text that we want right here. And it also has a really great design. This is also the design that I like the most compared to the other ones. So I'll go for this one, click on it right here, and then from here we can just go and click on this button right here called remix, and then from here we can work from this progress right here. So click on remix right here, and then as you can see, we can add some tags right here. So we can add some image weight. We can go into this one, and we can go for typography on this one, and we can go for the modal. We can go for public or private visibility right here if you don't want it to be viewed by other people. So you can also do that with the model. And in this time, we'll just go for version 0.2, and we'll be trying on version 0.1 later on. So now it's now generating. And as you can see, these are the results now. And as you can see right here, we have some really good text right here. So now this just captures it right here. As you can see, we have the text correctly, and we have the heart one, but I don't really like that. And this one is just wrong. And we have this right here. So yeah, this is basically it right here. And I think this is it for the results of Ideogram. I'm not really satisfied with the text right here. I don't like the font and how it's made. I like this one better. I mean, let's go back. right here. And now let's go and try some other prompts right here. So let's say we would want to, let's go for another text prompt right here since this is the strength of Ideogram. So let's go and try that right here. So let's say this one. I think this one is really good right here. So let's say we want this and we're gonna go and copy this, but this time we're gonna go and try the version 0.1 right here, and the ratio will be scaling this also. So we're gonna go for, I'd want this one 16 by 10, and I'm gonna go for cinematic tags, typography, and 3D render, and I'm gonna paste the prompt right here that we have just copied, and I'm gonna change this into Thrive Media. Thrive Media right there, and we're gonna go click on generate right here and click on generate, and after that it will now generate it. And as you can see, Thrive Media is quite fast in generating this, so we don't have to wait very long right now. And now these are the results right here of our prompt, and I can say that this is really good right here. And this one, it got the text spot on right here, except I'm not sure for this one right here. This is the only thing that I'm confused about in this photo or this generation right here, but I think this one is really good. And the style that I like the most right here is this one. So yeah, I like the style on this one, but this one has the most accurate text. So let's just work with this one right here. So we're gonna click on this, and then we're gonna remix this again, and we're gonna work with this one. And this is the version 0.1 right here. Let's try the version 0.2 now so that we can compare. And we're gonna click on generate. And now let's see right here, and let's wait for the generation process. And as you can see, it is really fast. And now we now have this one right here. This one I really like right here. So yeah, Ideogram is a really great tool, especially if you're into logos. So if you're looking for making logos for free for your own maybe YouTube channel, for your own company, then this is a great place to start right here in Ideogram. You can make a lot right here with your logos and so on. And this one is really good right here, and I think I'm very happy with this one right here. I like the vibe, the robotic vibe, with some maybe some retro vibe I'm getting. So I can go and do that, and I can click here on download once I'm satisfied with it, and now I can view it right here. And this is how it will look like right here. So we're just gonna go back, and then right here you have some also other cool ones right here, and this one is also really cool. So yeah, basically that is basically it in the strength of Ideogram based on text here in AI. So that would be a really useful one right here. But compared to the other AI platforms that has text to image, when it comes to non-text prompts without text, example this one right here, this seems pretty good, but this can be done better with other AI image generator tool, because as you can see, it's not that it doesn't have that much impact in my opinion. Because if you can do this in Midjourney right here, it would be able to give you some better ones right there. But when it comes to text, that is where Ideogram shines. I think this is really good right here, because even with Midjourney, for example, I am struggling in getting the text right, so that is really a hassle. But with Ideogram, it is very easy right here. So yeah, kudos to Ideogram for that. And that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.